Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. I did create a Disney type theme of the Gatefold portfolio. So again, this design is absolutely versatile. Just like any of the books that I create, you can go ahead and use whatever type of paper that you want. But this time I used Simple Stories, Say Cheese, number 3. I was commissioned, to make this. So I, of course, want to share it with you to show you what else you can do with this design. So this is so super duper fun. Of course, we got 4x6 cut aparts. You know how Simple Stories is. You get the 3x4s, 4x4s, all the different sizes. And this is super cute. This time I decided not to put any paper on the side, but instead of that, just to do some journaling lines. So I thought that was kind of unique. And I just went around with that again. And there's the other spine. I think it's really cool. I'm obsessed with the polka dot paper, I have to say. I did back this on chipboard. So this is a magnetic closure, and this just opens up. Super easy, simple. I did not use any extra ephemera pieces. I'm not even sure if they have that, but all I used were the cut aparts, and I fussy cut pieces out of them to make my own little tuck spots and things like that. So over here is the left panel. This is really easy. It's a faux envelope. So it opens up like this. It's got that, okay? It's got a flap. You think that that's the, I like it. I went around with my chalk marker right there. You can add a photo on the back or some journaling. And there's another cut apart. Perfect place for a 4x6 photo right there. This can even hold more than 50 now that I have so many cut aparts in here. Okay, super cute. Adorable. Right here I've got a waterfall going up and down. Here's another cut apart. Very super easy, simple. Another 4x6 photo space right there. You would tie that back up to keep it closed. And I actually created that little image myself. I just did not know what else to put there. So that's what I did for that part. And here on the center panel, fussy cut that out. And that, okay, opens up. And we've got an awesome frame right here. I tucked a 4x6 cut apart. Okay, and I fussy cut some stuff out, added some journaling lines. This is a big old pocket behind here. And we've got more photo spaces, 4x4 photos right there. Beautiful. Right here, 4x6 photo space again. Cut that out. And I made this little thing right here. Of course, we know it's going to hold some tags. So this came together again in one day. I already have a tutorial on this design. Okay, that is the masculine Gatefold portfolio. And this is just so easy. Look at this. More cut aparts. Easy. Tuck some stuff in right here. Beautiful, best day ever. That goes in these little pockets right here. I absolutely am obsessed with this whole setup. I just want you to see this. Look at the angle of that pocket. And I teach you how to mat that perfectly in the tutorial. Beautiful. You can use whatever paper you want. We got some large tags that hold 4x6 photos. Take a look at that. Beautiful. And I just fussy cut that out and put that on the back of these super cute little the suitcases stacked up. So I thought that was cute. So that folds back up like this, and you can add additional little elements. It's so customizable. I absolutely love it. We're over here on the right panel now. We've got some frames right here. You can access the photos from the top here. I just tucked in some design paper in the upper one, and then the lower one right here, I just put a little cut apart. These fold down. And we've got photo spaces here and there, strips of design paper, absolutely wonderful. And we have a side pocket, tiny little picture spaces right there. Okay, beautiful side pocket. Oh my gosh, you could probably even try to get 70 plus photos in this one. You could pack it. And then this opens to the left this time, and then this one opens to the right this time. The other one I had them both go in the same direction. And look at this. More photo space. You can even attach a photo on top of the pocket itself. You are not limited to this. These are all open. So that folds back up like that and opens again. Wonderful. Of course, we saw that coming, right? And then we've got a pocket back here and a pocket here. Beautiful. Look at the different designs going on. I mean, come on. We've got so much variety. Beautiful. Excellent photo spaces. I am just absolutely ecstatic how this turned out. It's so bold, beautiful. Absolutely love Simple Stories. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Again, the tutorial link is down below, and I hope you enjoyed this share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!